Hello guys, after a long time I'm creating a new video in a replit through the mobile phone. Okay, so in under this video we use a Python, but I recommend it to you. Please use a Python with Turtle. Actually, Python with Turtle is used for graphics. So actually in under this video we using artificial intelligence. Through the artificial intelligence we easily create any templates. Okay, so how can we create any templates in through the artificial intelligence in the replit? So I teaching to you. Okay, so please wait here. Actually I had already creating a REPL here. Please look at here. REPL name is Python with Turtle 1. Okay, so look at here. Below the 1 here showing a generate code with AI. Okay, so this is the artificial intelligence code with creating a new templates. You're creating any other templates according to you. What about your search here? Okay, so now we searching here Python Turtle. Sorry. After clicking here, okay, so search here Python Turtle graphics. Okay, so after search here Python Turtle graphics we got some templates. Okay, so look at here, but now I mention here 20. Okay, so look at here. Look at here, some templates are showing here, but below the templates you got a point Python Turtle graphics 20 and reject and accept. So I request to you, please select the accept. Okay, after select the accept you got it there, all templates here, all lining here. Okay, so after run we got the program here. This is the console, but actually we facing some error. So okay, look at here, we got it down some line of template. Okay, so now we run the program. Okay, after run the program, look at here, easily console here, console. Wait, actually it will take us some few times, so please I request you, please wait here. So sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, so it will take us more times. Okay, now is run. Okay, look at here, this is a output. Okay, this is the output. Okay, now again run here. So this is the output section. Okay, so through this AI you can easily create any templates, yeah, create any programs. So I request you, please use artificial intelligence for helping the and create write any code. Okay.